Hello, I hope we're all doing well. In the past, our angels say we worked very hard on finding peaceful resolutions for ourselves and to allow ourselves to follow our own light, to sing our own song. We were nudged by the universe, guided by them, and we should celebrate that we actually did it. We also rekindled relationships, and although there was a lot of frustrations, we can feel that this good relationships are paying off for us. It also solves a lot of stressful situations that we were going through. There's new ideas coming up at the moment, and we moved out of our comfort zones, and we're filled with hope and love at the moment. Right now, there's a lot of things on the news, and we need to reconsider all the little things that we hear. There is some good news, so we can't just ignore it. They say we're going to receive visitors, and we need to share in that situation. It's good. It's good to restore relationships. We're going to have balance and justice coming our way, and with this justice, we will be able to find balance and help others that are in need. We have been mourning the past, but enough is enough. We're sick of it now, and we're moving forward with our newfound happiness and peace and love for ourselves and the relationships with others around us. In the future, we still have to clear out some issues that we must sort out, but we must carry on with that because the abundant universe will provide us, and there will be growth in all area of your life. It's a situation now to go deep within and release those things that don't serve you anymore. Trust your intuition as you work through these issues. Don't ignore them, it doesn't go away, it will just come up in your future. So acknowledge them and work through them. Nurture yourself, your body, your mind, and your soul, and open yourself up with all these things that you kept in there. Allow your light to shine out and that the universe can shine through you. Thank you very much for listening. Love you.